Hello all, welcome to Soulful Thoughts. So here I'm back with a new topic called the finding the unit digit of a number. So I'll be explaining with the topic unit digit of a number. So you can solve it in very less time within 60 seconds. So see the video until the end of the session. So you'll be getting the clear idea of how we are solving it. If you have any doubts, just ping me in the comment section. I'll be explaining the topic once again, or I'll be clearing your doubts. So let's start the session. So the main basic thing is to find the unit digit of a number. So actually we know what is the unit digit of a number. For example, if you consider the number as 225, so what is the unit digit? Unit digit means the last digit or the ones digit. So in 225, the last digit is 5. So that is called as unit digit or last digit or ones digit. So here we have to find the unit digit of a given number. So now the main principle behind this is like cyclicity. So what actually means cyclicity? So cyclicity means that the number of times the number is occurring after some particular cycles. Let's take an example. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. And 2 to the power 6 is 64. And 2 to the power 7 is 128. 2 to the power 8 is 256. So the unit digit for 2486, 2486. So you can see that the pattern is repeated again, right? So 2486, 2486. So after how many digits the pattern is repeated? After 4 digits, the pattern is repeated again. So here the cyclicity for 2 is 4. That means after 4 cycle it is repeating again. So next for 4. For 3 we have to check. So for 3 if you do in this way you'll be getting the cyclicity as 4, like 3, 9, 7, 1. And for 4 you have the cyclicity as 2. That means 4 power 1 is 4, 4 power 2 is 16. So the unit digit for 16 is 6. So like that, in the same way you'll be finding for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now let's start with an example. So before that, we are grouping the numbers based on its cyclicity, right? So 2, 3, 7, 8, the cyclicity would be 4. For 4, 9, it is 2. For 5, 1, 10. And for 6, the cyclicity is 1. So now let's go to the problem. So I'm consider the example called 122 to the power 173. So now first main basic thing is to find what is base and what is power. So here the base number is 122, the power number is 173. So now in 122, only I'm mentioning it clearly again. So in 122 to the power 173, you have to check only the number. That is the base number only you have to check, not the power. So considering the base number, you have to find the last digit. So now considering the base number, if you find the last digit, you'll be getting it as 2, right? So now you have to check. So we have 2, 3, 7, 8. The cyclicity is 4 as I mentioned earlier. So for 2, the cyclicity is 4. So I have to divide the power number to 4. So when I divide the power number with 4, you'll be getting the remainder as 1. So after that you have to take the last digit 2, that is power raised to 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. So here the answer is 2. So now let's consider the another example. So before that, I have explained for 2, 3, 7, 8, whatever the unit digit if you get, like if you consider a number 123 to the power something, to the power like 455 or 478 or 500, let's take it. So the last unit digit in the base number is 3, right? 3 to the power 250 or 3 to the power 278 you have to take. So when you take that, so first you'll be dividing the power number with 4. Once you'll be getting the remainder, you will be raising that to the power last digit. So this is the way it happens. So now let's consider for 4, 2, 3, 7, 8, it's the same way. For 4 and 9, it's similar way. So if you have a number, like consider 124 to the power 372. Here the last digit is, for base number is 4 and the power digit is 372. For 4 and 9, we have some we have something called as even and odd. So for 4 raised to power even, then you will be getting the answer as 4. 4 raised to the power odd, then you'll be getting the answer as 6. When You are taking it for the similar with the 9. 9 raised to the power odd means you'll be getting 9. 9 raised to the power even you'll be getting as 1. So now let's see with this question. So 124 to the power 372 plus 124 to the power 373. So when you check the base number, the last digit ends is 4. So 4 raised to 372. What is the 372? It's even or odd. So it's an even number. So 4 power even number. What you'll be getting the answer as 4. So I have written here 4 for 124 to the power 372. And identify the last digit for the numbers. So here it is 4 for 124 to the power 373. So for 4, we don't consider cyclicity. Instead, we check the power. If it is even, then the answer is 4. If it is odd, then the answer is 6. So for even, it is 4. For odd, it is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10, we are concerned about the unit digit, not the tens digit. So here, ones digit is 0 or the unit digit is 0. So option is D, 0. So let's consider with another problem too. Find the unit digit of the product. So this is something same as prior. Instead, here we have the unit last digit as 7. 7 raised to 245. So when you consider 7 to the power 245, so what is this? 2, 3, 7, 8. The cyclicity here we have 4. So 4 divided by 245. So you have to divide. You'll be getting the answer as 1. So 7 raised to 1. So the answer is 7. So next 1 to the power anything you'll be getting as 1. So we have multiplication operation in between this. So 7 into 1 is 7. So option D is 7. So next problem we have is find the unit place digit in 71 into 72 into 73 into 74 into 76 into 77 into 78 into 79. So here we have to do in some different way. It's nothing but difficult. It's very easy actually. So first thing, you have to check the unit digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So here you have to check the unit digits here. So here I have done the answer. So I have explained here the step-by-step process how it works. So 1 into 2 is what? 2. So here I have written 2. So this is the unit digit. So now this into the next number is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So this with the next number is 4 is equals to 24. Here 4 is the unit digit. So 4. We are only concerned about the unit digit, not about the tens digit, right? So here 4 we have. So next is 4 into the next number is 6, 24. So again we got here 4. 4 into the next number is 7. Again we have got 28. So 8 into the next digit 8. So it's 64. In 64 only we are concerned about the unit digit. So we'll be taking it as 4. So 4 into 9 is equals to 36. Again, we are only concerned about the unit digits. So it is 6. So the answer is option D, 6. So I guess you guys understood the topic. So now you have some questions to practice. So if you don't know the answers, just comment me. I'll be sharing you the answers. So these are the questions to practice. So I'll be giving the solutions in the next video. And you have to solve this. If you have any, just ping your comments. Just ping your answers in the comments. So I'll explain in the next video. So thank you for this. Thank you guys.